Hey guys, so as it's almost Christmas, I'm going to be sitting down with you today and going through 3 Christmassy DIYs. We've got a Christmas wreath. This probably took about half an hour to plan and took around 3 hours to make personally. It's down to how long you really want to spend and how much time you want to put in, but personally it took me around 3 to 4 hours. So for this you will need a wreath, a metal wreath. You can get these from, I think I got mine in Hobbycraft or like any gardening centre probably, I want to say. You need lots of pine cones, and then basically you want a garland of some sort, so we got leaves to add that bit of nice greenery just to cover the metal underneath and just make it look more full. And then anything you want to decorate it with, so I've gone for bells, little apples, dried out oranges, cinnamon sticks, and then some like holly and berry mixed things. And basically I got all of that in Wilko's. To make this you will also need a glue gun, because otherwise nothing's gonna stick. Next on the list are these really adorable little polar bears. In total, these probably took around half an hour. They don't take too long and they're adorable. So for this, you'll just need baubles because they are polar bear baubles. It's in the name. Cotton wool, or if you don't want to spend as long shaping them, then you can get little white pom-poms in Hobbycraft or any craft place. Black felt for the eyes and the nose and some thread for its little bow tie. And for this you will also need white glue of some sort. Final DIY. This is for a Christmassy garland. This didn't take that long. It probably takes up to an hour. For this, you will need tinsel. Just tinsel. And the great thing with this is you don't have to go out and buy loads of stuff, because anything you have left over from the wreath, if you have stuff left over, you can stick it on the tinsel. So I've gone for pine cones, because we love pine cones. Cinnamon sticks, golden bells, because my tinsel is white and I thought gold bells would look nice. I've also gone for more leaves under the pine cones, a single apple, some more of those holly and berries, and a nice bit of dried out orange. So I love that. So for that you will also need a glue gun to stick everything to the tinsel and stick it to each other, because it just makes sure that nothing's going to fall off. So I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.